Why does your scanner show the P090C engine code? What does it mean? P090C is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch B actuator control circuit low. The P090C engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has noticed a problem with a low voltage situation with the clutch actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: clutch actuator, clutch master cylinder, solenoid, clutch sensors, fuse or fusible link, wiring, control module ground, ECM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. P090C is an OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that can appear in various vehicles. It is most commonly found in Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.